Hello class and welcome to week 3 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, I would like you to work on the final draft leading up to your tech essay. However, there are some scaffolding activities that lead up to the tech essay that I'd like you to work on for this week. Let's look at what's due for this week. You'll be working in the Lumen Resources. That is the tab to the left on the navigation bar, and it should say Lumen Resource. In the Lumen Resource, you'll be looking at matters of mechanics, so you'll be looking at grammar issues and style that you may apply to your essay, revising, editing and proofreading, and using a peer review checklist. Something that you'll be looking at throughout the semester and using as well. Also, I would like you to look at the citations, the MLA 8 edition tutorial to give you some idea of what we're going to be looking at for the formatting for this essay. One of the postings that I'd like you to work on and to post on the discussion board this week is the MLA format practice. I'm not asking you for this assignment to turn in the entire essay initially. I just want to see how you would format the essay using the heading, the title, and so forth. I will remind you that although Lumen says to use Times New Roman for your font, for this class, throughout the semester, I would like you to use Verdana, font Verdana, size 12. I'd like to see it on all of your writings and for your essays. And make sure that you have a nifty title for the final draft of your essay as well, something that has a catchy title that can grab my attention. Later in the week, you will be submitting your peer reviews, and I would like you to, of course, post your entire essay on the discussion board, highlight and underline the thesis. We'll be focusing on the thesis statement, which should be placed in the last line of your introduction. Make sure to respond to at least 2 other classmates. Offer comments on their essays like, I agree with, because, I like the way you do this, I'm confused by, I wonder if, this thesis makes me think of. So you're focusing on the thesis statement and whether or not the body paragraphs do support the thesis statement. At the end of the week, you will be submitting the final draft of your tech essay after you have gotten comments back from your peers and you've made any revisions, changes, editing, any kind of changes that might enhance your essay. And of course, if more than one person is offering feedback and asking you to clarify a certain aspect of your essay, you may want to do it before it's turned into me. You may upload your essay either in the learning modules or in assignments as well. There are 2 places where you may do that. It all leads to me, but the assignments tab is where you would do that. I hope this information was helpful. Good luck.